Trying to get ready for our day. We got a busy day today. My car won't start. I just paid $500 to put a starter on it. It started working for one day, then I left my lights on because it rained. Now I need a battery, so another $100 that I kick out the door. So it's getting crazy here today. The starter cost me $300. The labor on it was like $100. Then I had to pay $100 to get it towed over there. So, to God be the glory. We'll get it done, amen. I'll talk to y'all a little bit when I finish getting dressed, so me and Bella can get out of here. Alright, I took my shower and everything, so I'm good for that. So, talk to y'all later.
Stand on the sidewalk and don't move.
You can help Mama brush your teeth?
And then y'all church that one, y'all.
Huh? Come on. Let's go. We gotta work on Daddy's car. Yeah, Daddy's car messed up. So we gotta get it working. Girl, that little fly ain't gonna bother you. Come on. Come on. Well, we gotta go out here and jump start my car. I just paid, like I stated earlier, $500 to get it fixed. The starter went bad on it. The guy said the starter part was $300. The labor was $124. Then I had to pay an additional $100 to get it towed over there. Now my battery is bad. So we're about to go to Advanced Auto, get a battery. I think they said the battery is about $116. So we have to see what we can do about that. Now I need to find out where my car at. Oh, my car is over here. Look at the sun. Look at the park. Ain't nobody out here. Oh, wow. You're hot. It's hot. Okay. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing cranks so I can get it to the shop. Okay, y'all hear it. It ain't trying to crank or nothing. Isabella, you know how we do for our YouTube channel?
Everybody got the same phone case for real. Kim. Howard, why you put him up here with
That's
the
Cam, Erica, Alexander. Look at Howard. We ain't seen him in a long time.
Howard, you can't.
Uh-oh.
You want some cake? You want some cake? Alright. Go ask Grandma you can have some of her cake. Go ask Grandma.
Where's Nana? Go tell Nana to give you some cake. She outside. Nana right here.
There goes Zoe.
Outside.
Everybody chilling. You see Nina over there doing what she do best. This the look, see everybody out here? See?
Oh Lord,
They going Linda for her birthday. Where she running to? You see the birthday cake. Okay,
let you do that. Don't let anybody hurt my cup.
You saw her plate and stuff. You coming out to eat, Rashawn?
Yes. Mama,
yeah.
You coming to eat?
Linda, I'm coming to sit with you. Linda, don't let nobody take my cake.
That looks good right there.
Trying to find.
Can't even sit with Nene.
Look at all this.
Can't even sit with Nene.
Ooh. Everybody enjoying themselves. I see it.
Man, you enjoying yourself,
Look where all the thugs at over here.
I'm a doctor.
Whatever.
I am.
Everybody can get it. I ain't gonna put nobody's face on it, but
people got warrants, brother.
that's my cousin right there. I ain't put your face on it.
Certain people got warrants. Just putting that out.
Hey, if my cousin got a warrant, he gonna get locked up today.
I ain't got no
Hey, that's my other cousin right there. A city girl gone wild. That look funny to me. A Dominican trying to eat crab legs. And look at Bella. She down there hiding. She done ate 3. A city girl gone wild. That look funny to me. A Dominican trying to eat crab legs. She down there hiding. She done ate 3 hot dogs.
The sausage is good too. Let's have some of that sausage.
That's the Roger
Great. Did you try the sausage?
Yeah,
That's the Rogerwood sausage.
It's a good idea, man.
What is it now?
Yeah, the Rogerwood sausage.
It was a lot of food.
On his 13th birthday.
Where keeping it real goes wrong. How does that honey feel?
If you don't want to have
Oh, it's okay.
Hug a goodbye.
Oh, that's who came in the door. How you doing, son?
Hello.
she thought she was ready to go.
No. Say bye. Come on. Give her a hug. Give her a hug. Come on, y'all get up.
She don't know. She was like, I'm ready to go.
Bella, ready to give her a hug though. Oh, give her a hug. She looking like she's ready. She's not feeling it. She didn't do that earlier. She didn't do that earlier. She was fine earlier.
Y'all tripping.
Hug.
Give
Say
her a
bye.
hug.
Say bye-bye.
Give her a hug.
She's staring like she's not going to
She had tonight.
get me on this camera.
She used to the cell phone. And she don't know what that is. Jesus. Give a kiss, Zoe. Give a kiss, Zoe.
She probably like, no, I'm good now. She's bigger.
Do new stuff. You throw stuff around and make a mess and start screaming.
What you doing, Bella? Bella, let me see. Woo! No, be careful. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's so funny. She's having fun.
No.
Maybe too much fun.
No more throwing. No more throwing. That's it.
I've learned new things from my new friends and my cousins. Look, I learned what to do.
Well, and I woke up now.
Yeah, she was.
She got power. Like I don't hear anybody fighting over anything. It's all mine. Did you enjoy your day, Miss Linda? She got some.
Oh,
She had a good day. Until she found out she might have to profess.
Nothing in here but powder. Powdered milk.
No.
that was a good one. We're gonna put them back in there, Bella. I need to change the
She's
diaper.
looking like I'm gonna keep taking these out. I'm gonna keep taking this out. Mama didn't get up. She didn't act like she was trying to stop me.
lesser size track.
What's going on? Where's everybody? You had a good night, though. You did? That's right. You're new pastor. You're new church.
Yeah, y'all do tonight.
You know, women's like fellowship. I didn't know Jason's Deli has like a whole like room in the back.
Oh?
Did you know that? Never been there for back in Jason's Deli. Yeah. There was a room back there that had sofas and tables and all kinds of stuff. We did like an ice cream social and we
We had a movie night last night in the park.
in the park in the heat.